Today in the grain market, soybeans were up. That government shutdown did halt all reports basically until further notice, but for the seventh day in a row we're closed. That means that there's no crop progress report, export sales, or even commitment of traders that would come out of the CFTC, and that's pretty much leaving traders in the dark. And yet, November was up 7 3/4. We got up to 10.29 3/4 with January getting up to 10.44 3/4. Now we did add 3,300 to the call side of options, keeping those products moving here. CVOL is at 14.7% with the soybean oil at 24.8 and the meal at 18%. Now corn today was firm with the grains relying on private analyst information. Futures are basically staying strong in spite of the private analysts, estimating that there is higher yields, but still the market is moving sideways, even though it is firm. December had a 4.25 cent range. We were up 3 cents at one point to 4.22 3/4 with March, getting up to 4.38.5. Now, option open interest added 4,100 to the call side and 5,300 to the put side, and it's leaving the puts just slightly higher than the calls, but both contracts are well over 400,000 open interest. I think that's significant that there's a lot of participation there. CVOL's at 15.3%. Now, wheat today was a little bit mixed, that world estimates are on the rise, adding some pressure to all three of the wheat markets right now, but we're holding just above contract lows. December today had a narrow 5-cent range. We got up to 507 at one point, with March getting up to 525, but it's still vulnerable here at this spot right now. Very low option open interest both on the call and the put side, even though calls are twice as much as the puts. The volume is still pretty low there. Now CVOL on the wheat is at 18.3%. So harvest is still moving on, and traders are hopeful that perhaps China talks might be a positive for this grains, but until then, we seem to be moving sideways.